Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix Visual Studio installation error. So I'm just going to share to you a very simple and easy fixes for this. So let's go quick into the process. So first is you have to click on the start button, then you have to go to settings. Or you can directly search for settings in the Windows search bar. Click on it under the best match. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, you have to simply click on Windows Update. Click this button right here. So this will check for updates. We need to make sure we are running the latest version of our operating system. Aside from that, we need to make sure that this will check, download, and install the latest updates for our Windows. And once you're updated, you simply close out of here and then update or install the Visual Studio again, or try installing the Visual Studio again, or continue the process. So updating your Windows, that is one of the most helpful fixes for this issue. Now for the second method is if you are using any third-party antivirus softwares like any of the Avast, McAfee, or Malwarebytes, then you can temporarily disable that because that might interrupt or block the process. So click on the show hidden icons in the taskbar. Here you can find that I am using the Malwarebytes, but in your case, it might be Avast or any other third-party antivirus softwares. Just simply make a right click. Then you have to select this option, Quit Malwarebytes. And after you have disabled temporarily the third-party antivirus software that you are using, then try to install the Visual Studio again and continue the process. And for the next method is we can try the System File Checker Scan, or the SFC Scan, to scan for and repair system corrupted files, or to fix corrupted system files in short. So go ahead in the Windows search bar and type CMD. Command prompt. On the right pane, you have to click on Run as Administrator. This is the very best thing about the command prompt, that you should not forget to run it as an administrator so that the command will work. And type in here in the elevated command prompt SFC / scan now. It's SFC / scan now, hit enter. So this will scan for and repair system corrupt files, as what I've said earlier, fix any system corrupted files. So while the process is going on, you should not close the window. You can just simply use the minimize button, but do not close it. And once this is 100% completed, so I'm not just going to show you the whole process as to how it will get into 100%, because you just have to wait for this process to be 100% completed. And then if it is done, close out of here. Make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. And after that, try to install the Visual Studio again or continue the installation process. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.